Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a ton of info on the pros and cons of the buy and hold investment strategy. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to give you information as to how you can get access to turnkey, low priced, low maintenance with high ROI properties. My name is Tarmila Rajasingham. I'm a real estate investor and a real estate agent as well as a global team leader with eXp Realty. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and hit the notification bell to get updates on new content. So before we talk about the pros and cons of the buy and hold investment strategy, let's talk about what a buy and hold investment strategy is. Buy and hold is a strategy used by investors including real estate investors. It is used to generate reoccurring rental income to build wealth over long term. The process often includes buying a rental property and holding it for 5+ years. And after the 5-year term, you can renew your mortgage, you can refinance it, you can sell it, and there's multiple options that's available to you. The buy and hold investment strategy can be used in combination with other investment strategies like fix and flip or the BRRRR method. So some of the pros and cons that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video are from our own experience. Josh and I are a big fan of the buy and hold investment strategy. So we do use this investment strategy in combination with other investment strategy to grow our portfolio. Now let's break down the pros and cons of the buy and hold investment strategy. One big pro about this investment strategy is that it falls on the passive side of investing. If you're an investor who's looking to build your portfolio on a long-term basis, and if you're an investor who doesn't have a lot of time right now to be very active and to search the market, this is an ideal investment strategy for you. And another pro about this investment strategy is that it's relatively stable. What I mean by that is that you can grow your portfolio over a long period of time, regardless of short-term market changes or fluctuation in the market or the economy. Another big plus is that it's proven by historical data, and it is even the preferred investment strategy by some of the giants in the business like Warren Buffett. And this is an investment strategy we all know that it works. It is a proven strategy, and Josh and I can attest to this being in this business, having to use this investment strategy to grow our portfolio. This is one of the investment strategies that Josh and I used to get into the business, especially at the time when we both got started in real estate investing. We both had a full-time job, multiple other part-time jobs, a number of different other projects in the work, and we were also planning to have family. So if you're like us and you're caught up in multiple other priorities and you want to get started in real estate investing, this is a great way to get started. Another positive to this investment strategy is that it offers a high ROI. Because you're holding it for a long period of time, you have the ability to see a larger profit at the end. And remember, real estate investing is a business. You have a significant tax benefit that comes with investing in real estate, so that you're able to deduct your operating expenses, giving you that unique tax advantage. Now let's talk about some of the downside to this investment strategy. So one of the big cons about the buy and hold investment strategy is that you have a large amount of capital that's tied up, so it's harder for you to grow quickly and duplicate. And what I mean by that, it's not going to be able to refinance as quickly, or you might be capped sooner, and again, it depends on your liability and debts at the moment as well. And with that, it takes a little bit of time to grow your portfolio over time. In turns, it's going to hold you back from reaching your investment goals sooner. Another downside, or let's say a perspective to look at this investment strategy, is that it's not going to allow you to take advantage of the market changes. For example, because you have a large amount of capital that's tied up, or you're not able to refinance as quickly and have access to the equity, then you might not be able to take advantage of the market changes. Another drawback to this investment strategy is dealing with tenant issues or repairs, and that could be challenging at times. But again, those are some challenges that are normal when it comes to real estate investing. And changing neighborhood is another thing that you want to keep in mind, is that over a long period of time, neighborhoods go through different changes, ups and downs in property values, and something that you want to do extensive research on before getting to real estate investing and choosing your neighborhood is looking at key economic drivers and data and fundamentals that are going to affect your cash flow analysis as well as your ability to grow over time. There you go. That's some of the pros and cons that come with the buy and hold real estate investing strategy. Now, I want to give you information as to how you can get access to turnkey investment properties. Josh and I recently started investing in the US as Canadian residents, and we want to give you that opportunity as well and give you access to low price, low maintenance, but properties with high ROI and high cash flow every single month. And in order to get access to these off-market deals, make sure you check the description below and get linked to our mailing list. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this video and you found it insightful, and make sure you subscribe to our channel to get more information like this, and hit the notification bell to get updates on new content. Once again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Tarmila Rajasingham. I'm a real estate investor and a real estate agent as well as a global team leader at eXp Realty. To partner with us and to grow your real estate business, if you're a real estate agent watching this, make sure you check the description for more information. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.